I'm good. I like being at the beach and just smells of sunscreen. Ocean water and sunscreen. Thank you. I want to hang out. I'm going to sit here. Come hang out with me. Come hang. No, I have no rocks. I have none. Is that frustrating? Is that frustrating? I got nothing. I'm not throwing them. I'm not throwing my sandals. I'm not throwing my sandals. I'm not throwing my sandals. Blue, don't eat it. That's gross. You need more? Are you hungry? Blue. I could piss you off by throwing this in the water. Don't eat it. You're gonna eat it. Last one. Blue. I gotta have it. Gotta have it. You're gonna need water. Blue. No more, please. Leave it alone. You can dig. That's it. Last. No more. Leave it alone, please. You hungry? We gotta go back to the van. You see the puppy? Yeah, you saw it. Yeah, I told you you saw it. That's it. No more. No more. I said no more. No more. Oh, tickle, tickle. Oh, tickle, tickle, tickle. Oh, tickle, tickle, tickle. I didn't do it. Find me a rock, we'll go play. Bless you. Alright, I'm done. This is weird. Why are we sitting here? That was my sand rock. He destroyed my sand rock. You're as bad as Belle. Pissing on kids' sandcastles. Blue. I can't reach. You wanna go get wet? Let's go to the water. And then we're gonna go to the van. Thank you. Ugh. I just ate sand too. Come on. Just for a little bit. Watching my feet. All right, let's go back. Let's go to the van.